Where to put a ceiling fan? Dear friends, some countries or places where normal temperatures are high in the summer, homeowners and builders tend to put a ceiling fan in more rooms than not. But how can you properly decide where to put a ceiling fan? The answer is not as complicated as you might think. You will want to put a ceiling fan in a room if you spend a lot of time in that room, the bedroom or family room. The room faces east or west. East and west-facing rooms tend to get much hotter than north and south-facing rooms because they get the most direct sunlight. You want to kill two birds with one stone and gain strong overhead lighting and airflow. The room gets exceptionally warm throughout the day. Once you have figured out which rooms to put ceiling fans in, you'll want to decide where you want to install the fan in that room. For smaller square rooms, the answer is easy. Put the fan smack dab in the center of the room. However, a bit more thought is required for abnormally shaped or huge rooms. For abnormally shaped spaces, place your ceiling fan centered between the two farthest apart walls. If the room is extremely long, or you have an open floor plan where one large space acts as a few separate rooms, multiple fans may be required. In this case, treat each area of the space as its room and place ceiling fans appropriately. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.